guys, it's your boy C-Noob. I'll be recording for a bit, so, you know. But this is why the assault rifle H-SCAR or L-SCAR or AK-47 is my favorite. You can also get skins like AK-47, 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 AUG, and all these. This looks cool, these ones. But anyway, I'll use the SCAR this time. But you can also do many cool things with the AK-47, including when you go here. You can do that, and then look. But also, you can do this. So imagine, you're trying to, you can do this. With the joint damage, you can do a lot of damage. And also, if you have flare gun, you can shoot the surrounding area. Like that, like that. These are some good combos. So you want to equip AK-47. I mean, you want to equip assault rifle, flare gun. Revolver, shield, and Molotov. So when you're holding shield, you can easily Molotov and then shoot them with your gun. And if you basically want to do it in a quicker way, you can use it with a revolver. Yeah, but I must warn you, the revolver does not shoot straight. It shoots like this. What the? And it kind of has a small chance of hitting it sometimes. So assault rifle, including spray, katana, and grenade. Because if the person is using shield, you can spray them. And katana them when they try to attack you back. And when they're far away, you can grenade to them and do that. Another good combo. What's another good combo? So, like, if you really want to, like, shoot a lot and stuff, I recommend, this is the heavy damage one. So, you want to equip this one, revolver, or flare gun. Actually, no, maybe revolver. And chainsaw, and satchel or grenade. Because with grenade, you don't do it like this. You can run to them and detonate it while you're running to them so that they explode. Then you switch to chainsaw and saw them to death. Or if that doesn't work, just revolver them as close combat. Oh wait, why am I in the... Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'll do the movement one. So, this one, this one, this one, and this. So, basically, these two make you go fast 40 times faster. See, War gives you a 30% boost, which will make you faster by 30%. And using flare gun gives you a 10% speed boost. So using them both together, you'll get a 40% speed boost. You can easily... Yeah, I missed. Yeah, I know I missed. But if you want to do light... For example, if you want to do like a spammy loadout, use this and this. So like Warhorn, and then once you run out of fuel, you can quickly switch, and then yeah, boom, bada bing, bada bam. Remember to reload your daggers, because you might mistake them as fists. Yeah, like this. Let's go, buddy boy. Aw. And then, like, you know, they might use shorty. Yeah, this video is probably going to change into a good loadout video. This is good. Anyway, guys, like, subscribe. This is a video. Because these are good loadouts with assault rifle. Use them now!